In this practice, we will add framing for one floor of a building and then copy and paste the framing to the level above. We will then add bracing to one part of the structure. In this particular task, we will add framing between each column. Open Structural Beam RBT file from the Practice Files folder. Open the Structural Plans TOS First Floor View. In Properties, in the Underlay section, set the range base level to 00 top of footing so that you can see the outline of the building. In the View control bar, set the detail level to medium. In the Structural tab, Structural panel, click Beam. In the Type selector, select W Shapes W14 by 30. Use the following techniques to place the beam. If you use grids, ensure that you select the correct grid lines. If you want to sketch the beams, use one of the draw tools from the Modify Place Beam tab's Draw panel. To place curved beams, use either Pick Lines or Start End Radius Arc tool. If you are sketching beams, in the options, select Chain to keep the sketching active between picks. Press Escape once to end the chain, but remain in the command. Press Tab to cycle through selections options near the cursor. When the desired placement highlights, click to place the beam. Select the curved beams, and in Properties, in the Structural section, change the structural uses to girder. Click Modify. In the Structure tab, Structure panel, click Beam System. In the Modify Place Structural Beam System tab, verify Automatic Beam System is selected. In the Tag panel, click Tag on Placement to toggle it off. In the options, set the following: Beam type W12 by 26 and Layout rule maximum spacing of 6 feet. Click inside each bay, ensuring that the beams are running west to east direction. Exclude the bays on the corners of the east end. Use sketch beam system for the bays that cannot be applied automatically. Once all of the framing is in place, end the command. Select everything on the first floor except the grid lines. In the status bar, click Filter. In the Filter dialog box, clear the Structural Columns category. If elements other than the framing are displayed, clear those categories as well. In the Modify Multi-Select tab, Clipboard panel, click Copy to Clipboard. In the Clipboard panel, expand Paste and click Align to Selected Levels. In the Select Levels dialog box, select TOS 2nd floor to TOS 13th floor. Click OK. This will probably take some time to process. Only girder beams of each bay are required on the roof level. In the crossing window, select everything and filter out everything but structural framing girder. Select Ctrl-C, which is the Copy to Clipboard shortcut. In the Clipboard panel, expand Paste and click Align to Selected Levels. In the Selected dialog box, select TOS 14 Roof and click OK. Open the TOS 14 Roof view and set the detail level to medium so you can see the girder placement. Let's open the 3D view to see the full model. Open the TOS First Floor Structural Plan view. In the View tab, Create Panel, expand Elevation and click Framing Elevation. Select the beam between grid intersection B1 and C1. Click Modify. In the project browser, expand Elevations, Framing Elevation, and rename Elevation 1-A as West Bracing. Open the framing elevation. Modify the crop region to display the columns. In the View control bar, set the detail level to Fine. Zoom in to display the 00 ground floor and TOS first floor level heads. If needed, drag the level heads out so you can see the columns clearly. In the Structure tab, Structural Panel, click Brace. In the Type selector, select HSS Square. HSS 6 by 6 by 1/2. Draw from the center line of the base of the column on the left to the midpoint SM of the beam located on TOS first floor. Repeat this step on the other side. Click Modify and select the two new braces. Copy the bracing to the clipboard and use Paste Align to select levels to place them on each of the levels from TOS first floor to TOS 13th floor. Exclude the 00 ground level floor, top of footing, and the TOS 14th roof levels. In the west bracing elevation, pan up to the top level. Select the two top braces and drag the circular control to the midpoint of the beams above it. Click Modify. Zoom out to see the entire framing elevation. Let's save and close the project.